Racing just is started. We have Pasenciosa. Break quickly at the start round. Is done on the inside. In the middle portion, Crystal Sprite, Gold Quest, while Mama Don't Preach is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pasenciosa by about 2 lengths. Gold Quest in second. Crystal Sprite is racing in third. Then followed by Mama Don't Preach, while Raun still racing in less. And as they swing down the back, we have Pasenciosa by about 5 lengths. Crystal Sprite in second. Gold Quest alongside third. Mama Don't Preach is racing in fourth. Raun is down on the inside fifth. Back to the leader, we have Pasenciosa by about 3 lengths, and in second is Crystal Sprite. Raun is down on the inside. Mama Don't Preach is on the outside fourth, while Gold Quest still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have Pasenciosa by about 2 lengths. Crystal Sprite in second. Mama Don't Preach now moving up on the outside. Raun is down on the inside fourth. Gold Quest and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Pasenciosa by only a length and a half. Raun is on the outside. Moving up is Mama Don't Preach. We have Raun now takes command. Moving up on the outside is Mama Don't Preach to take second. And finally it's Raun, Mama Don't Preach, Pasenciosa, Crystal Sprite, and Gold Quest.
1, 3, 4. Unofficial na datingan natin. It was Raon over Mama Don't Preach. 12. Yung